Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to put together and bind your own wedding vow books. For the materials, you'll need book covers, lined paper, an owl, embroidery floss, beeswax, binder clips, and needles. First, fold the book cover in half. I bought craft paper and designed the cover and printed it out at home. Then fold the lined paper. I did the same thing with this as I did with the cover, so the lines were going the long way on the paper. After that, slide the pages together. Then open up the pages and hold them together with the binder clips. Mark where you want the holes to go you'll make with the owl. I thought I needed a ruler but ended up just counting lines in the paper. Then use the owl to make the holes. I was hoping I could push it through but ended up having to use a mallet. Then cut some embroidery floss and pull it through the beeswax to coat it. This just keeps the floss from fraying. Then thread it through a needle and start saddle stitching. I'm going to link a tutorial in the description box below to help you. Then remove the binder clips. And that's it! These were honestly so easy and I was really happy to do a wedding DIY at home. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching! Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.